This bit is about writing college admission applications legitimately and creatively by showing a track record of success. You don't want to just be in a place that you are writing something without matter, without substance. So, in the course of the next few minutes, I want to talk to you about few options that Creative School is giving you. If you're a parent, your child, to make AI projects, artificial intelligence projects that can actually be a star on your shirt, a feather on your cap, so that teens and tweens can be in a better place to get into the university that they want. Now, this idea of building a strong application, actually having substance in the work that you've done in the course of your schooling, is not just for US applications, US university applications, it's for UK university applications and all over the world. You need to showcase not just a statement of purpose, but a track record of success, a track record of showing that you're proactive, that you're a doer, that you can actually drive through and make things happen. Now, in one of my videos about 15 years ago, one of my first videos on YouTube, I talked about college admission applications as when someone applies to a college, the college looks for certain things. And one of the things that a college admissions board looks for is drive. And having the drive to want to change the world is very, very attractive for a college. You don't have to change the world. You don't have to act like, all you want from your life is something for others. That's not the perspective I'm giving. But having the drive to do something that is impactful and significant shows that you want to do, and doers are the ones that make things happen. And you don't want to just write about this. You want to have a track record where you've done projects, you've done not just artificial intelligence projects, but community service, great grades. It's a whole package. And these days, so many people spend upwards of 15,000-20,000 dirhams to write a great college application, package all the stories in a way that the college will accept it. But more than packaging the story, that's also important. Packaging the stories, having a legitimate, strong story with substance is what I'm going to talk about in the course of the next few more minutes. So one way of doing that, I'm going to talk about 3 AI projects. So one AI project is to write and publish a book using artificial intelligence. So the tools I use to sort of bring out a story from the student is ChatGPT, and for the book cover, DAL-E. But more, a part of it is how to use these artificial intelligence tools, how to write the right prompts and things like that. But another part of it is bringing the story out of the student, bringing the book out of the student, and that's partially an art that thankfully I enjoy doing. So I want to contribute to your child's progress, and if you're a teen or tween, to your progress. That's one thing. Write and publish a book using artificial intelligence. The book will be published too in the UAE. Amazon Kindle is not available, so we'll be doing it through Google Play Books. They have a partner publisher account option. So that's one way of doing it. The second way is to build a website that with a custom domain that has sort of a comic story, pictures created through Midjourney. Midjourney is another AI tool that a little more difficult to use because it's on the Discord server, but it's so powerful, so powerful. I like it better than DALL-E and even better than Stable Diffusion. So Midjourney, to create these images and create a storyline that relates to the student, something that is original, authentic, and interesting. It has to be fun and it can be showcased after this is done uploaded in the domain. it can be showcased to the world. Even the book that I was talking about earlier will be available in 66 countries, not yet UAE. Google Play Books, even though it's available in UAE, the books published by publishers, unless they are big publishing houses, is not yet available in the UAE. So the second bit is about the custom domain with a comic picture book. The third one, which I feel is the most fun, is to create an AI character, sort of an avatar, using certain less known AI tools and creating a storyline, creating sort of a life for this character and bringing the whole ideas of, a virtual account through your imagination, through the imagination of the student, so that some dormant thoughts that need expression, like I have done with the TikTok account I created, some dormant thoughts that I feel are meaningful, that can be expressed to the world, and hopefully with some use, with a fun factor. You want it to be fun and engaging. You don't want to be too heavy, but a character with a life of its own on TikTok. There are other virtual accounts that one I came across on Instagram about a robot, and that's sort of what gave me this idea. But artificial intelligence has made it so much more accessible to people to do good work. That's what a university is looking for when they're taking students. Not just the drive to do good work, but a track record of at least legitimately trying. That it's okay to try and fail, but you have to keep trying. There are so many times when you don't even do anything. The student doesn't has only ideas and doesn't implement anything. So this is a problem. You want to have ideas that can be implemented, and you want to have ideas that are implemented, not just in your mind. And these AI projects that Creative School is showcasing is one channel, one route to really build your college application, because my goal is not to make students entrepreneurs in their high school and drop out of high school, or not go to college. I believe that college education, even though generally seen in terms of what is offered in the world, may be considered a luxury, but hopefully it will be considered a requirement. And that's what I want for students, for every teenager to go to college, get at least an undergraduate degree, and make friends, make connections, live the college life, and actually work hard to earn a degree, whatever subject it may be. I have my preferences, but you will have yours, yeah? And to each his own. But there are certain things that are more or less across the board, I wouldn't say universal, but more or less across the board, that I want to contribute for you to achieve, for teens, and I say tweens also, 11 and 12-year-olds, because you want to start early. You don't want to be in, year 11 or year 12, year 13 and think, oh no, I want to do something. I want to get into a great college. But not that it's too late, even at year 11, 12, even at that stage, some good work can be done, but it's so much easier to start earlier, say year 6, year 7, grade 5, grade 6, grade 7. These are, I feel, years that with the right environment, good ideas come, and slowly you can start work on something, try and fail a few times, and really get something good out into the market or out into the world by the time 10th grade or year 11 is done. So no matter what stage you are in your studies, if you're a teen or a tween, I feel it's important to try to do something little more than what is required of you in academics. And as if you're a parent listening, I would encourage you to give this environment and let your child have that attitude that I want to do more. I want to do more than what is just expected of me. Just go the extra mile every time, and hopefully it'll give results, because you have to try a bunch of times, and very few people succeed the first time they do it. I have seen it happen. I have seen cases where someone with the right environment and the right situations has got it right the first time, snap, and it's wow, a new company, a $1 million venture the first time. But still, I want all the students to keep in mind that getting a college degree is super important, no matter what project you're doing, or what company you want to start, or what research you want to do. The idea of being a college dropout and ends up having this cool factor sometimes, but it's not what you want to aim for. You want to aim to get at least one degree, legitimate university degree, and work towards studying and implementing your knowledge. I encourage you to contact me. My number will be on the screen here, and send me a WhatsApp text or give me a call. I'm based in the United Arab Emirates. I want to contribute to your child, if he or she is a teen or tween, and help the child really do something meaningful. Yeah, hopefully with some great results that will help your child get into a great university. And if you're a student, please tell your parents, give your parents my number, and tell them to contact me. I look forward to speaking with you.